Karl F. Landegger was born in Vienna, Austria in January of 1905. He was to become a truly global pulp and paper industry leader. His early career was in Austria, where he was president and owner of Valser Paper Factory from 1930 to 1939. He then moved to England to lead the Abergavenny paper mill. He obtained control of Parsons and Whittemore Incorporated in New York in the early 1940s and subsequently obtained control of Liddon and Company Ltd. In the early 1950s. In 1953, Landegger launched the packaged mill concept, providing all services for developing and operating pulp and paper plants in developing countries. This resulted in completion of 60 plants in 28 countries, all based on using local raw materials, including a variety of non-wood fibers such as straw, bagasse, reeds, grasses, bamboo, abaca, and others, as well as various wood species. Landegger encouraged governments and private investors to see the rewards of having their own paper industries in these countries. In order to supply a major part of the machinery for these plants, Landegger obtained control of Black Clawson in 1951 and built it into one of the world's leading pulp and paper machinery companies. Many new products were introduced, including the twin-wire paper machine, the first paper machine over 300 inches in width, pressure screening, the Pandia digester for quick, continuous digestion of non-wood fibers, and many major improvements in waste paper recycling machinery. Karl founded 5 large market pulp mills: Prince Albert Pulp in Saskatchewan, St. Anne Nakawik Pulp and Paper in New Brunswick, Alabama River Pulp in Claiborne, Alabama, La Cellulose d'Aquitain in France, and La Cellulose des Ardennes in Belgium. Karl Landegger contributed greatly toward the development of efficient pulp and paper industries in developing countries and received decorations from the governments of India, Ethiopia, Tunisia, and Austria for his efforts. Karl Landegger died in 1976. His son, Karl C. Landegger, was inducted into the Paper Industry International Hall of Fame in 2003.